Hello guys, this is your friend again, Blue Flame Month 29. May mga sira ba kayong mga gadgets like cellphone, desktop computers, or laptops? O gusto nyo bang mag-install ng CCTV cameras? Kim's Computer Repair Services is the answer.
Services offered: cell phone repair, desktop or laptop repair, printer repair, photocopy or Xerox, print rush ID, encoding, download music or movies, and CCTV installation. For more inquiries, visit their Facebook page, Kim's Computer Repair Services.
So what are you waiting for guys? Punta na dito sa Kim's Computer Repair Services. Located at Barangay Suisan, Ildefonso, San Nicolas, Ilocos, Norte, just at the back of San Nicolas Public Market.